Robot vacuums look smart, but they fail in three simple ways. Let me explain. First, suction power. They are convenient, but they do not deep clean carpets, especially if you have pet hair. Surface clean is not deep clean. Second, navigation. They get stuck on cables, on rugs, under furniture, and sometimes they just stop. Third, maintenance. You still have to empty them. You still have to clean the brush. You still have to remove tangled hair. It is not as automatic as people think. And here is the truth. Most people end up using a cordless vacuum anyway. More control. More power. Cleaner floors. Think before you buy.